Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rusty, also known as Reaper Dog, and today we're going to attempt to do the first two challenges of the Try Hack Me Advent series for 2022. So, uh, if you like this type of content, like, subscribe, and let's jump into it. Alright, so now that we're getting into this, obviously, as you can tell, I've done all these tasks already, but we're going to just go through them. Task 1 is just the introduction. Task 2 is just rules, kind of our scope. Like them on social. Subscribe for Try Hack Me. Cool. The story, go ahead, definitely take your time, read through this. Stories are always important. I'm not going to do that for you. Alright, so day 1's framework. Someone's coming to town. John Hammond is kicking off the Advent of Cyber 2022 with the video. Definitely go check out his video. John Hammond's always a great person to watch for CTFs and these type of things. It's kind of fun. So the frameworks, go ahead and read all this. I already have, or I actually had natural readers read it to me because it works better for me that way. But so the first question is, who is the adversary who attacked Santa this year? So let's go ahead and launch this. Yeah, use site. Alright, so it just looks like a puzzle, so we can maybe see if we can't just put some of these puzzle pieces in where they should go. So we have our reconnaissance, just our system that it was talking about in the first part here. Part of our cyber kill chain. So then we're going to do, we got some privilege escalation, pivoting. That's probably the easiest puzzle in Try Hack Me's history to get right sometimes. So then this is cycle 2. Then we're going to do cycle 3. And then we're going to do access collection. And just finish. So there's our flag. You copy that. You can dump it down in there. But who is attacked? Who is the adversary that attacked Santa's network this year? The Bandit Yeti. And our flag is going to be Try Hack Me. It's a Yeti Christmas. So go ahead, click done, and then we can go to day number 2, which is log analysis. Go ahead and close out of there. Maybe. So, day number 2. Log analysis. Santa's naughty and nice log. So, I'm going to go ahead and start the machine and also start my attack box. If you're using the paid version, you get unlimited attack boxes, which is really nice. It just takes some time, so as we wait for that, we'll just kind of read through this. Check out CMN Annex video walkthrough for day 2. If you need help, go ahead and go there and watch that. Santa Security Operation SSOC has noticed one of their web servers, SantaGift.shop, has been hijacked by the Bandit Yeti APT group. Elf McBlue is tasked to analyze the log files captured from the web server, what is happening, and track down the Bandit Yeti APT group. So once this attack box gets up, we'll go ahead and jump into it. I've already read all this again. Alright, so we're back, and for the practical, it says for today's task you will need to deploy the machine by pressing the green start machine button, and we already did that. We got our split view. If you're not using the attack box, you can always use the VPN and go from there, and then we're going to have to SSH into this IP address using this username. So let's get our terminal popped open here, and we'll just go SSH elf McBlue at 10.10.78.219, and I think your IP address might be different than this one. So just what did I do? 78.219. All right, that should work. Yes, and we're going to type his password. Try hack me. Probably did that wrong. Oh no, I got it. Good. All right. All right. So from here it says use the ls command to list the files present in the current directory. How many log files are present? So let's just go ahead and click here and go ls. So we got 2 log files. Elf McSkitty managed to capture the log generated by the web server. What is the name of this log file? Probably web server.log. Go ahead, put that in, begin investigating the log file. So let's go ahead and just go, we can cat it, or I'll do nano web server.log. All right. So lots of information here on the log files. Very common. That's why we're going to have to use grep. Makes it a lot easier. So, what day was Santa's Naughty or Nice list stolen? So, all these days are in this log file are from the 18th of November 2022. So, what I did was try the 18th of November 2022, like so. Or then I actually tried 11/22, 11/18/2022, but what it's actually asking for is what day it is. So go ahead and look down here at your calendar. Sometimes it takes a couple guesses to figure out what the question is, but Try Hack Me does, with the little stars, make it a little easier. So let's go ahead and go to November 18th, 2022 would have been a Friday. So go ahead. Answer is going to probably be Friday on that one. So what's the IP address of the hacker? There's really only one IP address coming through. We do have this one, but for the most part, all the Git ones are coming from this 10.10.249.191. So we know we found the IP address. What is the name of the important list that the attacker stole from Santa? So, what we do know is we have our log file, so let's go ahead and try to grep out something from there. So maybe we should search recursively, so we can go grep. Nope. Grep pack R. Maybe Santa, because it's something that got stolen, and we can go web server.log, and that pulls up all these Santas. And here we see a wget for a Santa's list .text. So we got Santa's list.txt, and it says look through the log files for the flag, for the format THM brackets. So we're just going to have to go here and go grep, and we want to look, let's look up here, probably throw the I in there for capitals in lowercase. Can do the R for recursive in, and then we can do E and try THM, and then maybe just throw the wildcard in there, see what that works like. And we're going to do this in the web server log. Try that. Nothing came up. Alright, well, we do know there is actually another log. If we look and do ls, we have a sshd log. Not sure what's in there, but we can always just try. Okay, so this so it's obviously not in. So maybe we just do try hack me THM like this. See. Oh. Okay. Just like that. There it came up. Try hack me Santa stolen list. So we can go ahead and just copy that and paste it over here. And definitely, if you don't know what you're doing, just check on the hints. It'll help you out eventually. So, and then you can always do 2 other rooms. And that is it for day 2. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing day 3 and 4 next. So keep an eye out and have a great day.